Do you want to improve the material handling efficiency in your factory? ASEANMACHINE brings you high-quality conveyor belt solutions. ASEANMACHINE's conveyor belts use the latest technological materials, combined with advanced machining equipment, ensuring that every detail is crafted to perfection. From cutting to assembly, our team strictly controls every process, striving for perfection in every detail. Whether your business involves material handling, food processing, or other industrial sectors, ASEANMACHINE conveyors deliver outstanding performance, meeting a wide range of production needs. Choosing ASEANMACHINE conveyors means choosing efficiency, durability, and reliability. In addition, we also offer high-quality membership services. Register as a member to enjoy free on-site maintenance services. Achieve a certain number of points to enjoy corresponding member discounts.